Hey, how we doing, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to do a little install video on putting our SanPietro Designs rapid fill derby cover onto our twin cam. These are incredible. They're the bee's knees. They're seriously revolutionary. No more pulling off your derby cover to change your fluid. There's a fill port. You leave it on. It comes with a brand new gasket, so one and done. You know, you can't do any better than that. So yeah, let's get into it. But first, I gotta change my oil. And in case you didn't know, the drain plug for your primary is right on the bottom side of it, and it's a 5/8. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take the primary off. Now that we got that old one out of here, let's put this one on. All right, well, now that we got it on, let's fill it up. And don't forget your drain plug. And that's it. I mean, really, if you ask me, that was too easy. Basically goes right along with a fluid change. Drop your fluid, change your derby cover, never have to change it again. Rock on, dude. I give this a solid 10 out of 10. So if you like this and liked any of our previous stuff, give a like and a follow. Be sure to check out SanPietro Designs. His parts are kick-ass for your Harley. He makes them for everything: soft tails, M8s, twin cams, baggers. He's sick with it. Go check him out. Get his products on your bike. Never have to pull your derby cover again.